Hello, my name is Angel. I am 7 years old. I'm in 4th grade. My favorite book is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. I like it because his face is funny when he says, what if pigs make me sneeze? I learned that friends and family go first. It's a little sad because Piggy is Elephant's best friend and Piggy is scared that Elephant and Piggy are scared that they can't be best friends anymore. I like to read chapters of Elephant and Piggy. They make me laugh and sometimes cry.